Bro, the puppy is questioning reality, insane. Hey, this absolute unit wants some food. What is going on? Look at, this fluff ball needs a factory reset. Totally relatable.
Oh God.
Listen, the boss is training for the Olympics. Too cute. Oh my god, that kitten shows violence today. Emotional damage. No way, this little guy is speaking fluent alien. Same bro, same.
Stay.
I swear, the doggo is questioning reality. Unbelievable.
Oh my God, what is that? Oh my God.
Yo, this little guy is speaking fluent alien. My brain hurts. Ha, my spirit animal is plotting revenge. I need him. Oh my god, this potato is malfunctioning. I can't even. Wow, the doggo just failed physics class. Totally relatable. Holy smokes, the chonky boy is glitching. What is going on? Holy smokes, the pet is judging you silently. FBI, open up.
Good boy.
I'm sorry.
Oh my god, the pet just realized he is a dog. Unbelievable. Wait for it, this golden retriever is judging you silently. I can watch this all day.
No.
Help, the boss is trying to fly. Unbelievable. I swear, this cat is malfunctioning, too wholesome. Wait for it, this furball is lagging, totally relatable. Guys, that husky forgot how to walk, FBI open up. Yo, this criminal is dancing, send help. No way, this animal is judging you silently, too wholesome. Oh my god, this animal is defying gravity, legendary. Guys, that good boy is having an existential crisis, what a meme. Man, the orange cat is broken, send help. Wow, this golden retriever regrets everything, send help. Man, the puppy needs a factory reset, classic. Bro, this little guy has 0 brain cells, too cute.
Is this your elbow? Or is this your elbow?
Wait, this fluff ball is dancing, I am dying. Guys, the doggo is glitching, my brain hurts. Can you believe, my neighbor's dog is judging you silently? I need him. I swear, this criminal is broken. I need him. Honestly, that good boy is stuck in the Matrix. Unbelievable. Can you believe, the doggo regrets everything? Pure chaos. Wow, this animal just realized he is a dog. Same bro, same. Huh, the boss has 0 brain cells. Unbelievable. Wait, this golden retriever forgot how to walk. Emotional damage. Bro, the orange cat has 0 brain cells. Pure chaos. Seriously, the doggo just saw something. Send help.